Earn extra money with this brand new source that I'll share with you in today's video. It works for absolutely free and it is worldwide available, so anyone can join. If you're interested, make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can get every step right, and stay tuned to learn how to maximize your earnings. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to Aidan and Mia's World and hit the notification bell on if you want to get notified each time we upload brand new strategies just like this ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and that way make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can just give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial, and I'm going to see them all. So without any further ado, let's begin with today's tutorial so I can show you every single step. So stay tuned until the end, since I said even before, because you can get easily lost and confused. The very first step for you is to come over to this platform called Paidwork. This is over at paidwork.com, and it's former Zareklamy. Actually, I don't know if you have heard about this platform before. You can see that you can make money online on your phone, computer or tablet, and wherever you are without investment. So it works in any country and for absolutely free. They do offer an app on App Store and Google Play Store, so you can even use it on your smartphone device if you want to, or even use the website version. It depends on you. But we're going to see and check it out later on. So you can see that you can turn your time into profit. This is a full-time or additional job for all the people from every country, and you can earn with any device that you want. You just need access to the internet. You'll get paid for your time spent and engagement on the platform, so it depends on you on how much time and effort you're going to put on this to get the desired results. You're going to have everything under control. You can choose how you want to earn money, and they offer different making money opportunities, just like playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online and creating accounts. You're going then to collect your profits. Every time you complete those tasks, you're going to see that in just 1 month you can earn up to $150, which is pretty awesome actually. And there is no limit of your earnings. Of course, it's you who decide how much you earn depending on the dedication that you put on this. You can see that you can increase your earnings wherever you are, on the bus, at work, at school. You can use this platform in order to make money, and you just need a mobile device and access to the internet. You can set your goals. You can focus on what you are good at and what works best for you. There are 4 ways to earn money here, so you can just choose the one that you like the most, or you can combine all of them in order to make the most money. So let's check out the app on App Store and Google Play Store. Here on App Store, it's called Paidwork Make Money. They got 190 ratings and just 3 stars reviews, while on Google Play Store it's called the same, and they got like 3.4 stars out of more than 9,000 of reviews and more than 5 million of downloads. So it seems popular, but they do not have pretty great reviews actually. Maybe the app version, it's not working very well, so just let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try it. I highly recommend that you even continue with your website version to see which works best for you. So what I want you to do right now is to go over to the how it works section up here. It's going to take you over to this page where you can see how to use it. First of all, you're going to select a method of earning. You can choose for more opportunities here that they offer. You can see that then you can start earning whenever you complete those steps correctly, and then you're going to receive your money, but you need to leave the admin stuff to them, of course, because they're going to process your billings. You can even try all the resources, and in order to see the information about each of these resources, you can click on see more. It's going to take you over to this page where you can see some explanation for each of these ways to get paid online, which is pretty great actually. And also you're going to notice that they offer a referral program as well, so this is a nice way to maximize your earnings actually. What I recommend you do is to just go over to some make money online groups, and also you can find them on social media platforms, on social media groups of course, and even on make money online forums. So you can find interested people that want to come to this platform and use it in order to make money online. And of course you're going to benefit as well, since you're going to bring new members and receive a referral bonus. So I'm going to show you later on where you can find your referral link. First of all, you need to create an account for absolutely free, and you need to click on the registration button up here. You're going to just register like manually if you want to, by putting your email address, password. Click on next step. You're going to put some other information as well. So you can even register with another account by just signing up with your Google account or Microsoft account if you want to, because it is a lot faster and easier, since it is required just one click of a button. Either way, once you create your account, this is how it's going to look like. This is going to be your dashboard. Here you're going to track your earnings. For example, you're going to track your earnings today, yesterday, the last 7 days, this month, and also your overall balance. And it says $0 right now since I just created this account for the purpose of this tutorial. You're going to verify your email. You need to go over to your inbox and click the activation link, and then you're going to even add some basic information about yourself. So you're going to just go over to the left hand side. You're going to check out these sections. For example, the settings one, when you can just complete your profile in order to be able even to request your payment. Then you can go over to the referral program so you can get your referral link. It's very easy. You have the billing section where you can just see that you can request your payment over here. But first of all, you're going to put your personal information. Go over to settings, just like I said before, in order to be able to put those information like your address, your city, your country, and so on. And then you'll be able to choose the payment method once you also reach the earnings threshold. You can go over to the analytics section in order to see how much money you have made throughout the days, and also to the earn section, which is the most important part, and I'm going to show you how. So you can see here that you can even get 20% more, and you can choose the method of earning that you like the most. They offer play games, fill out service, watch videos, online shopping, and they are adding another one actually, micro tasks, as you can see is coming really soon. For each of these ways, you need to click on the earn button. For example, if you click on this, it's going to take you over to this section where you need to click in one of them in order to start completing surveys and get paid. So for each of the methods of earning, they offer some information. You can click on the I button up here, and you can see, for example, that by playing games you can get paid from $1 up to $100. So there are some ways that pay you with points. For example, by watching videos you're going to collect some points, but you can of course redeem for money, and you can notice that 100 points equal $1. And of course, I'm going to continue with these other parts as well. You can see that, for example, by playing games, you need to install a game. First of all, you're going to just complete some specific tasks in one game, and you're going to get paid for that. Some tasks take several days to complete, but the more difficult the task, the more money you're going to make, of course. By filling out surveys, you can get paid from 50 cents up to $10 per each survey. You're going to complete those surveys that are based on your interest. And this method of earnings also requires a little more time to complete, as you know, so those surveys can be a little bit long. So you can see that you can also watch videos. You're going to earn from 0.1 up to 1 point for each video, and each video is like 30 seconds, which is pretty great actually. It's not very long. You just need to click on start watching, and once you're going to see all the video, you're going to get paid. If you close an ad or window during monetization, you won't earn, so make sure to leave it play. By online shopping, you can see that you can get from 50 cents up to $25 for purchasing a product. You're going to get money back actually. So with that said, this was it for today's video. If you like it, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.